July 1978. Look, we don't have time, but when exploring the place, we found some files. I need you to read them. I just need you to. This is what was written. July 6, 1961. Hello, I am John Fartman, the new leader of the Barry Scrapyard, also known as the Brothers Scrapyard. We have been reported to scrap some engines that were sent to Barry Scrapyard. Unfortunately, these E2s and trains, other engines, were sent to scrap at once. All faceless and non-faceless engines are sent here for a bit quite reasons. This is the end of File 1.